Future of human civilization / solar system colonization.
What?
This is a big topic, and I'm gonna condense it into a couple sentences. This stuff is interesting to me. Where are we gonna go? Because first of all, the Earth is dying.
Overpopulation and stuff.
The Earth is dying, you guys. I mean, we can. I think we can save it. I think it's possible if we really do it.
But watch Black Mirror. You can make fake bees.
The thing is like, I feel like at one point or another we might have to leave the planet, or even if we don't have to, we still may spread out. And like some people, you have colonies that stay on Earth and colonies that move to like Mars and those kind of things. I definitely think it's super interesting.
Isn't Mars the only inhabitable?
The one that's close enough to us. That even then, isn't like Mars gets super cold at night and there's no oxygen.
Yeah,
so, like, you have to live there in like a different way.
I mean, it's inhabitable though, like to the point where.
Well, yes, we could potentially live there, in a different way. But I'm definitely interested in like, just the concept of like what's out there, like,
aliens.
if there's definitely aliens. I can almost say with
Area 51 meme.
Area 51. Oh god, people are telling me to talk about Area 51 as well.
That's such a meme. I don't even.
People, you might die, but if that's what you're into, please storm Area 51. I want to know what happens.
Yeah. It's just an air base. Like, it's not...
Yeah.
Isn't it just like a training ground?
Something like that.
Well, we think.
Testing. That's what we think. That's what they tell us. Anyways, there's a good video. This isn't Area 51, but this is about the future of the universe. It's called a time-lapse of the future. Go check it out. If you have a half hour to spare, it's a long video. It's half an hour long. But it basically is like... all theoretical, because obviously we don't know, but it's all kind of astrophysics and like what astrophysicists theorize will happen till like the end of time. And yes, that is a thing where it starts from 2019 and it progressively gets faster and faster and faster till you're in like the trillionth year in the future, to where the end of time is, which is basically when nothing else is left. And there's just emptiness, so time is irrelevant. So we do reach like the end of time. But the cool thing about that really kind of scared me, was that the point where the point in the universe where life actually exists in the entire. I'm gonna put my phone down for a sec. If you're watching on YouTube, if this is the entire timeline from the Big Bang when the universe starts to the time when time is irrelevant, life exists for this much.
Yeah, like a fraction.
It's like 0.000, and you have like 100 or like a million zeros, like 0.001. That fraction of the entire lifespan of the universe is when life is actually able to exist. Other than that, it's like there's no stars, so places can't be warm enough for life. So it's such a tiny fraction that's so scary that like think about like how lucky we are to like exist right when we do in the entire. It's crazy. Anyways, it gets so crazy. Go watch that video. It's super cool. It's called Time-lapse of the Future.
I got really into science for a while because I did, I remember last year I got like 100% on my like final exam because we didn't have exams last year in grade 9 for some reason. We had like, it was like 2 exams and 2 final projects because for some reason at our school they did it so that they unsemesterized grade 9.
Oh.
So yeah, it was stupid.
Yeah, grade 9 is a little weird now.
It was awful. But I did a project because you got to pick your topic. So I did mine on dark matter and dark energy. And my I made a 15-minute video on dark matter and dark energy. My teacher didn't get it. So he's just like, you look like you know what you're talking about. Nice job. And he gave me like 100, like 98 sick. Or something. But that stuff's insane because it was talking about like the forever expansion of the universe and how the universe every day expands actually faster.
Yeah.
So it continues.
It's exponential, yeah.
Yeah.